Yo, what's up guys? I'm so excited because something came in our mail today. So as you can see, I've got the Samsung Curve Monitor 27-inch CR50. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this bad boy. Let's go! (1800R) curved screen, bezel-less design, AMD FreeSync technology, curved monitor. Yeah. So this is the monitor. Looks awesome. So it has HDMI port and a VGA port, and that's it. Put the monitor here. So this is the stand. And we got the power cable, power adapter like this, and an HDMI cable. Awesome, from Samsung. And there's also a manual with extra screws. So let's assemble our monitor. Let's go. So no need for a screwdriver. Actually, you can lock this thing up like this. Just turn it clockwise. That's it. I just simply push this stand at the back. As easy as that. You can screw so it won't fall down before we set it up. That's it. So my monitor now is ready. So let's set this up in our computer table. Let's go. So guys, I'll be using this monitor as an external monitor for my MacBook Pro. So let's plug the laptop and voila, there it is. There you go. The only problem on this monitor is it has no built-in speakers, so it's all coming out in my laptop, but it's okay, it's all good. As an external monitor. There you go. So guys, that's it. So this is the quick unboxing of my Samsung 27-inch curved monitor CR50. An awesome monitor. Using it for my work from home task, editing videos. So thank you. So if you want a review on this, just leave a comment below. So until then, thank you for watching. To all of my subscribers who keep on supporting me, thank you very much. Salute! Like and subscribe because I've got a giveaway the moment we hit 20,000 subscribers. So the mechanics is in the description below. So guys, thank you. So peace. I'm signing out. Stay safe guys. Samsung 27-inch curved monitor. Yeah, brap.